Welcome to Study Loop.
Let's start by taking a u substitution. So looking inside the cosine, we see a 1 over x, so let's just try that. Then using the power rule for derivatives. So here, it looks like we can rewrite this using u. So let's pull out a minus sign here because of this one from the u sub. So by writing negative du, we're getting 1 over x squared in dx. So that gives us this and x squared on the bottom. So on top, so here, let's write this as cosine u. This is giving me this over here. And by writing negative u du, that's giving me everything else. The negative du is giving you 2 of the x's on the bottom. And then multiplying by this extra u is just giving us another 1 over x. So that gives us the 1 over x cubed. So this is our integral. So we have negative integral of u times cosine u. So for this new integral here, so it's got a little messy up here. Let me come and rewrite this. Let's write this as u cosine u du. Now let's set up the integration by parts for this one. So let me not use the letter u since we already used it up here. And it's in our integral. Let's use w equals u dw du. dv is cosine. So v is sine u. So using integration by parts, so remember the formula there is uv minus integral v du. In our case, let me go ahead and replace that with a w there, since that's what we're using. So negative. Then we have u times sine u minus integral sine u, that's v, and then dw, which is du. So now we can go ahead and distribute the minus sign. So that's a negative u sine u plus integral of sine. So that's negative u sine u minus cosine u. And now don't forget to add your constant c. Now we've evaluated the integral, but the last step here will be to come up to this u substitution so that you can replace u in terms of x. So this last step here is just to do that, replace u. So u is 1 over x, sine 1 over x. And then we have minus cosine 1 over x, and then plus c. And that's our final answer.